You might have decades of experience, a thriving local practice, and highly satisfied clients in the physical world. But when an algorithm looks for you, there's a good chance it sees nothing but an empty digital grid. People are no longer just typing queries into a search bar and browsing through websites. They talk to their phones, ask a device in their kitchen, or use an AI assistant to get an immediate single answer for local services. These AI models do not read websites the way humans do. They scan for structured data. If your name, your business, and your expertise are scattered or formatted in a way machines cannot easily parse, the AI cannot confidently verify your authority. And if it cannot verify you, it will not recommend you. Fixing this requires a specific set of tools. You need a single primary Google account, the direct links to your active social media profiles, a functioning website, and at least one piece of content that answers a common question in your field. Making your presence machine-readable doesn't require learning how to code. It is a simple, structured process of organizing the assets you already have. Securing these signals now ensures that as AI search becomes the standard, the algorithms point straight to you, rather than the competitor who took the time to do this first. Step 1 is claiming your Google Knowledge Panel. This is the central hub that AI search engines rely on to confirm you are a real, distinct individual, rather than a loose collection of random mentions. Open a browser and search your exact professional name. If a box appears on the right side of the screen with a summary of your information, look for the 3 vertical dots at the top right. Click them and select the option to claim the panel. When you do this, you must log in using the one primary email address associated with your business. Using old accounts or creating a new one specifically for this step will create conflicting data points and stall your verification. Step 2 happens during that verification process. Google will ask you to prove who you are. This is where you submit the direct links to your professional footprint. You will input the exact URLs for your website, your LinkedIn page, and any active social media accounts. You are drawing direct connections from your isolated profiles back to the central hub. By deliberately linking these sources, you remove any ambiguity for the algorithm. It no longer has to guess if the person on Instagram is the same expert authoring articles on the website. The machine sees one unified, highly active professional. Completing this step transitions your digital presence from a series of disjointed search results into a highly structured, authoritative identity that AI systems trust. Step 3 captures people looking to hire someone in their immediate area. For this, you need a Google business profile. Many independent experts and service providers hesitate here because they work from home or travel to clients, and they don't want their private residential address listed on a public map. Google provides a built-in solution for this. During the initial setup of the profile, simply select the option indicating that you deliver goods and services directly to your customers. This allows you to define a specific geographic radius or list of cities where you operate. The search engine still categorizes you as a local business and ranks you for regional queries, while keeping your actual physical address hidden. When the algorithm sees a verified personal knowledge panel directly associated with an active local business profile, it registers the highest tier of credibility. You are now categorized as a known expert who is actively serving a specific community. Step 4 is maintenance. To stay at the top of AI recommendations, you have to consistently feed the machine new data. Once a week is the optimal frequency. You don't need to write new content from scratch. Take an existing article from your website or a detailed answer to a common client question. Copy a section of it, up to 1,500 characters, and paste it into the Add Update section of your Google Business profile. Every post needs an image, but AI cannot see the visual contents of a photograph. If you upload a file named img59, the machine learns nothing. Before uploading, rename the file using hyphens and descriptive keywords, detailing exactly who you are and what the image shows. Finally, at the bottom of the update draft, add a call to action button. Select the option labeled Learn More. In the field that appears, paste the direct URL to the full article on your website. This creates a functional bridge from Google's native ecosystem directly to your private domain. When you hit publish, the post goes live immediately. The search engine registers the new optimized image, reads the text, and crawls the link straight back to your site. Repeating this short process every 7 days continuously trains the algorithm. Over time, it learns that your business is the most active, reliable, and relevant source of answers for your specific industry. By claiming your knowledge panel, structuring your local business profile, correctly naming your files, and publishing weekly updates, you transition from an invisible web page into a fully optimized machine-readable presence. The algorithm no longer sees an isolated URL. It sees a vast, interconnected web of data points validating your expertise. Because AI inherently favors verifiable data, this dense structure ensures that when someone nearby asks for a local expert, you become the automatic recommendation. You didn't write a single line of code. You simply communicated your real-world value in the specific format that discovery platforms require. The tools are already sitting there waiting for you. Open a new tab, search your professional name, and start building your digital authority.